The decade of the 60s saw women take a more vocal stand in all areas of life. Many female musicians were in the forefront of the music scene. And a new play called Beehive at the Gateway Playhouse celebrates the music makers of that time. Roma Torrey has a review.
There is magic being performed on stage at the Gateway Playhouse. No tricks, special effects, or any fancy technical displays. Just a stage full of raw talent and a show made in heaven. And it's also breathtakingly simple. Beehive takes as its premise the music by, for, and about women during the decade of the 60s. That was an explosive period, particularly because it started out so innocently. The biggest social concern among teenage girls in the early 60s was maintaining the shape of their beehive hairdos. But then came Vietnam and civil rights and the women's movement, and women grew up fast. And thanks to some great musical voices like Patti LaBelle, Leslie Gore, Janis Joplin, and Aretha Franklin, they got their message across. What a treat. 7 performers and 7 musicians and not a false step among them. Each woman has her turn to lay a stick of dynamite under you, and with her voice, the theater explodes. Young and old will enjoy this show. The decade may be over, but thanks to some extraordinary talents, the music of the 60s lives on. I'm Roma Torrey. That's a wrap.
Some of my favorite music, too. Wonderful. Well, that's it for this hour. I'm Colleen McVeigh.
And I'm Bill Zimmerman. Thanks for joining us. Remember, at 6 a.m., News 12 has complete weather and traffic information. Stay tuned.